Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I will be making Solidperfume. Now, to make Solidperfume, you want to start with a carrier oil. The carrier oil I'll be using is grapeseed oil, but feel free to use any kind of other oil. You can use sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, just any kind of oil that you choose. Next, I'll be using pure beeswax. Beeswax is very important for this perfume because it helps to solidify the product, help to harden it. And this one I found at Essential Depot, and I'll leave a link to this company so you can purchase some if you like. Next, you need some fragrance oils or essential oils. I'll be using a combination of both. I'll be using caramel, vanilla fragrance oil. I'll be using peppermint essential oil and lavender essential oil, milk and honey fragrance oil, and nectar fragrance oil. If you want to use all essential, you can use all essential oil combination. If you want to use all fragrance oil combinations, you can do that. Is whatever is your choice. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to get started with the combination of the scents. So first I'm going to start with the base. The base will be milk and honey and nectar. So I'm going to add 15 drops of milk and honey to this cup. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Next, I'll be adding 15 drops of nectar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 drops of nectar, 15 drops of milk and honey. And then I'll be using lavender essential oil as my middle notes, which will be 15 drops each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then for my middle note, I'll also be using peppermint oil, peppermint essential oil, 15 drops of that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And last but not least, the top note will be caramel vanilla. And if you want to know what I'm using to take the oil, I'm using a pipette. This is a pipette here I labeled. So for my caramel vanilla, I'll be adding 20 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alrighty. So that's that. Now I'm going to give it a little twirl. I'm going to use this plastic knife here to kind of stir up the fragrance. I'm going to smell it to see if I like the scent. I love the scent. And next, I'm going to make this, I'm going to mix the beeswax and the carrier oil. I'm going to do a method called the double boiler method. So I'm going to bring my camera over to the stove. Start the heat right here. And over here I'm showing you, I have a pot with the some water, and I filled the water up about 2 inches high from the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the water. The water's gonna start boiling, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bowl here and put it right on top. This is the double boiler method. Okay, I put this right on top, and next I'm going to go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of beeswax. I'm going to use my measuring spoon. Get in there. Move this out the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there. So that's in there. Next, I'm going to use 8 tablespoons of the grapeseed oil, because the container that I'm gonna put everything in is only about 3.4 ounces. So if you have more, if you have a bigger jar that you want to use to make your solid perfume, what you would do is just add a whole lot more. You double up in all of your ingredients. So all I need is 8 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to bring you over here. I'm going to put the 8 tablespoons of oil into this. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's that. Next, I'm going to show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's going to melt. So all of these is going to melt. I'm going to wait for this to melt. I'll just show you this for now, and then I'm going to pause and come back and show you when everything is well incorporated. Okay, as you can see, the beeswax have finally melted and it's well incorporated with the grapeseed oil. Now I'm going to take the bowl. I'm going to set it on the counter here. Okay. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the oil into this jar. And I'm going to use a funnel, place it on top. Then I'm going to put be careful when it's coming from the stove, it gets hot, so have a rag or something to protect your fingers, your hands. So I'm going to pour it. Pour everything in here. Okay. Set that aside. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to add the fragrance. Add the fragrance there. And I'm going to take this little utensil and mix it so everything can be incorporated nice and evenly. Okay, and it's starting to harden. The beeswax is starting to harden up, so I'm going to put the top back, on this container, and there you have it. And I'm going to put this in the freezer for the purpose of this video so that it can go a lot faster, so I can show you the final results of the Solidperfume. Stay tuned. Here are the results of the Solidperfume. I had it set in the freezer for about 2 hours, and this is what it looks like. It's looking really good. And to use it first, you want to make sure your hands are clean every time you put your fingers in the container. And what you would do is just scrape a little bit. So you can see this is what it looks like. When you rub it together, it melts between your fingers. And you can put it on your wrists. And you can put it behind your ears. And it's so practical, it's so travel friendly. You can go anywhere with it, put it in your purse, and you don't have to worry about anything spilling out of the container, or have to worry about accidents or anything with this. And it's so easy to make, simple ingredients, and I hope this is helpful for someone out there who's looking for a recipe. I'll have the links to where you can get the essential oils, where you could get the beeswax, where you could get the grapeseed oil as well, or other carrier oils of your choice, down in the description box. So make sure you check that out. And also, don't forget, before you go, leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts. Have you ever made Solidperfume before, and what was your personal experience? Or if not, you can let me know if you're willing to give it a try, and then you let me know what was you can come back to the video and let me know some more of how it all went down for you. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the love and support. Special thanks to all the new subscribers that have come on board. Welcome to the family. I appreciate you all, and thank you once again. And remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. See you all in the next video. Later.